So earlier on, Nambuya Panapanenya extended Kumashingo, and police has finally released a statement. Let me just read what they posted. And the reference is made to the Zimbabwean Republic Police's post on platform X regarding a fatal road accident which occurred on 2 April 2026 at around 10 to 10 in the morning at 246 km peg along Harare Mashingo Road, in which 6 people were killed after a Toyota Corolla vehicle and a Mercedes-Benz truck collided head-on. The Zimbabwean Republic Police releases the names of the victims who were identified by the next of kin as listed. Lillian Maranda Mujuru, 40, a female adult of Tenward North, Harare. Noktenda Mujuru, 15, a female juvenile of Tenward North, Harare. Makanaka Mujuru, 13, a female juvenile of Tenward as well. Ronald Junior Mujuru, 11. Rufaro Shalom Mujuru, 7. Kaden Mujuru, 3. Namboya Maxen singade kutaura because police yange asina kureleasa a statement chayo, so I didn't know what to say because YouTube inogona kukustrika any minute, but maona mega kuti makore acho akamira sei, so amai vacho ndo avo. And according to profile yemurume wacho Ronald, I could actually see that he's a family man. Munhu yaiwo kuti he was always posting nevana vake achinyatsoratidza kuti aida mhuri yake zvekudaro. So I think kuti he needs people around him at this moment because it's not easy. And then under the Zimbabwe Republic Police extend deepest condolences to the family of the victims. We appeal to drivers to seriously consider road safety while moving on the country's road this Easter and independent holidays. Let's all do our part to make the roads safer. Church kumbiro ichi handizivi kuti toita seiko, because each and every holiday ndo zvatinosangana nazvo izvi. And my deepest condolences to the family and the loved ones affected by this tragedy. Dai vanyaradzwa naMwari.